Hi, my name's ST from HomeTowne Auto Repair and Tire with a few winter tips for you today. One of the things you want to look at are your wiper blades to see if they are streaking on the windshield or if the ends are cracked or damaged. Want to take a look at the level of your washer fluid. Also make sure that it's set for the correct temperature level, such as about at least around here, minus 20 is good. Check your antifreeze level and also the protection level of the antifreeze. Just because it may look green or red or blue depending on the car, you actually want to make sure that the temperature protection level is good. Check the level in the battery, make sure that it's all right. Or some of them don't have a way to check the water, but you can actually have a little eyelet which will show green or red if it's good. It's a great time to check your tire pressure. It's okay to maybe run 1 pound extra just for the temper variation with the tire pressure monitoring systems, trying to keep that light out as the temperature drops. And also it's a great time to go ahead and check your lights. With it getting dark already this time of the year, it's a great time to check all the lights in the vehicle, especially the headlights, to make sure that they're working and that they're clear. If you have any questions, please call us at HomeTowne Auto Repair and Tire. Hope everybody has a very safe winter.